Sirana, we are discussing by the chapter is electric charges and fields. Electric charges and fields. The short answers questions. The first one. State and explain. State and explain. Coulomb's inverse square law in electricity. So what is the first one? We can write a statement. After that we can derive the Coulomb's inverse square law. See the first statement. The electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion between two charges between two charges are directly proportional to product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So that means let us consider let us consider two charges two charges q1 and q2 are separated distance small r. For example, here we taken by the two like charges. Like charges is nothing but same charges. This is the q1 charge and it is considered the q2 charge. These two charges are separated by the distance of small r. This is the like charges. So what is the like charges? When the like charges means two are positive charge or two are negative charge, that time this force between these two charges is repulsion. That means that's a repulsion means the moving away from the force. This is the repulsion force. Here also repulsion, force of repulsion. So what is the force of the repulsion is considered by there. Force of repulsion. When we are considered by the like charges, the unlike charges is one is positive charge, another one consider the negative charge. The Q1 is a positive and Q2 is a negative charge. Then this two charges between what is the force is there here? The attraction force. See, this is the force of attraction. It is also the force of attraction between the unlike charges. See, according to Coulomb's statement, so that according to Coulomb's law, what is the force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to their product of charges. Their product F is directly proportional Q1 and Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. The F is inversely proportional 1 by r square. Now common expression we can write the F is directly proportional to the Q1 Q2 by r square. When the proportion is negligible, we take a constant, that is a F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by r square. The K is called as the proportionality of constant, or also is called that K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. How much is this? K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now this K value substitute in the equation, then the F is equal, that is a force of attraction or repulsion between the charges, that is also called Coulomb force. The F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square. Q1 Q2 by r square. See, this is the formula of a Coulomb's inverse square law. Coulomb's inverse square law in electrostatic. Coulomb inverse square law in electrostatic. See, so next question. Derive an expression for the intensity due to a point charge. The first we are discussing by the intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field is denoted by letter is E. It is defined as it is defined as, it is defined as the force expressed for, the force expressed for unit positive charge, unit positive charge is called intensity of electric field, intensity of electric field. So what is it? It is defined as force expressed for unit positive charge, unit positive charge. That is E is equal F by Q naught. What is that? E is equal to F by Q naught is called intensity of electric field. Now we can find out the intensity of electric field due to a point charge, due to a point charge, due to a point charge, point charge. So let us consider point charge Q is placed at point of O, is placed at point of O, and another charge, the Q naught is at point of A, is at point of A, but these two charges are separated by distance of small r. But when we have the two charges is there, this will be attraction or repulsion. These two charges can be attraction or repulsion. That according to Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. What is there in a Coulomb's law? The force of attraction or repulsion. The force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Then we can write here the formula F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So this is the formula of a Coulomb's law. But here Q1 is equal to how much of the charge is there? Q. And Q2 is equal to how much is there here? The Q naught. And the separation of the distance, the small r is equal to the small r. Then these two values we can substitute here. The F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1. The Q1 is replaced by the Q. Q1 is replaced by the Q. And Q2 is replaced by the Q naught by R square. Now this Q naught is taken this side. So there is a F by Q naught. F by Q naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. See, we know that. See, intensity of electric field E is equal force acting for unit charge. See, the force acting for unit charge, what we can write here, the electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. See, this is how the formula for the intensity of electric field due to a point charge. So next question. Derive the equation for couple acting on a electric dipole in uniform electric field. So let us consider electric dipole. Okay, electric dipole. See, dipole is nothing but how many charges are there? Two charges. See, one is positive charge, dipole, positive charge, and another one is there negative charge. One is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge, and these two charges are separated by the distance, separated by a distance, separated by distance 2a. The placed in uniform magnetic field, placed in uniform magnetic field, placed in uniform magnetic field, uniform magnetic field. Placed in uniform magnetic field. See, this is considered the dipole. It is have the negative charge. It is considered the positive charge. Positive charge. Now the negative charge is placed at the A point and a positive charge is placed at the B point. These two charges are separated by the distances 2a. How much of the distance is? The 2a is the separator of the distance. Now this placed in a uniform magnetic field. So this is how the uniform magnetic field. So this is considered the uniform electric field. Sorry, this is the electric field. Placed in a uniform electric field. This is considered the E. Now this electric field, some of the force expressed on a negative charge, some of the force expressed on a positive charge. Now the negative charge, the force is acting opposite to the electric field. Because of the electric field is acting this direction, but the force is acting this direction, that F is equal to Q into E minus Q into E. Because of, we know the formula. What is the formula? Electric field E is equal to F by Q. Then we can write here the F is equal to Q into E. Here the charge, how much is there? The negative charge, and electric field E. That is the force acting on it at A point, the minus Q into E. And similarly same, this electric field, the force acting on it at B point, but is the along the same direction of a electric field, and the electric field a direction on the force kuda ade direction acting. This is the force F is equal to Q into E. Q into E. See now observing, these two forces are equal. These two forces are equal, but act in a opposite direction. అంటే ఒక ఫోర్స్ ఇటాక్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇంకో ఫోర్స్ ఇటాక్. Then here the couple of the force act on this dipole. It's the dipole, it rotates in a uniform electric field. The rotates in a uniform electric field. When the what is stable by the here the torque is stable. So what is the torque formula? The torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Perpendicular distance between two forces. Now this is the one of the perpendicular force of, this is the another force of the perpendicular. We can draw the two are, where is the coincide, that is called the perpendicular to each other. This point is considered by the C. Now this dipole, the making of angle theta with electric field. The angle theta with electric field. Then we can find the torque. So what is our force into perpendicular distance between two forces? The torque is denoted by the tau force. There the magnitude of force, how much is there? Q into E. Q into E into perpendicular distance between two forces. Now this two of the perpendicular distance is considered by the AC. Then find out this AC value. See the AC we can find it the using of from triangle. See the triangle we can draw. This is the triangle. This is how the A point, and this is how the C point, and this is the B point. Here the perpendicular. Here will be the angle theta, and its distance is given by the A to B is considered by the 2A. Then apply the sine theta. What we can apply here? The sine theta. What is the principle for the sine theta? The sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is AC by AB. Then take the cross multiplication. AB into sine theta is equal to AC. Now the A to B, how much of the distance is there? 2A. The 2A into sine theta is equal to AC. Now this AC value substitute here place. Now AC value we can substitute here place. Then the torque tau is equal to. So what is it? Q into E into AC. AC is equal to how much is there? 2A into sine theta. 2A into sine theta. But we know that. See, what we know that electric dipole moment. The P is equal to the charge into the dipole of the distance. Now here the Q and here the 2A. What we can write in P. Then the torque tau is equal to PE into sine theta. See, this is the torque acting on A. Electric dipole in a electric field. What is the formula? Tau is equal to PE into sine theta. See the next question. There are an expression for the intensity of the electric field at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. Dipole means how many charges are there? Two charges. One is positive charge, another one is the negative charge. See, let us consider electric dipole. See, the dipole is nothing but one is negative charge is placed at A point. See, another one is the positive charge. Positive charge is placed at P point. And these two charges are separated by the distances 2A. There is a small distance is separated by the, how much is there? The distance is there 2A. And its center point is considered by the O. So what is considered the center point is O. Now this is A to O. How much of the distance is there? A, small a. And O to B also same distance, that is there the small a. Because of A plus A is equal to 2A. We are consider the point P on the axial line. Here is considered the another point. This is considered the P point on the axial line. On the axial line means the line joining of these two charges. The line joining of these two charges is called axial line. So this is called the axial line. Now we can find out this P point is the distance. The small r is the distance from the center of dipole. How much of the distance is? The small r is the distance of center of the dipole to P point. Then we can find out the intensity of electric field due to negative charge and due to positive charge at P point. Now the first, intensity of electric field. Due to positive charge. This is quick another E plus Q. See, that is the positive charge. The positive repulsion. This is the direction there, E plus Q. So what is the formula for the intensity of electric field? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Q by R square is nothing but the point to charge distance. Now here the point. Now where is the charge is there? Here the charge. Then we can write the distance is the BP whole square. Now here the B to P, there is no of the distance. But we know the O to P, how much of the distance is there? R. And then O to B, how much is there? A. Then the total distance to negligible of this distance. Then we can write the E plus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. See, this is how the intensity of electric field due to positive charge. Then next we can find the similar same intensity of electric field due to negative charge. Due to negative charge. See, this is the negative charge, we can find it. See, this is the negative charge, we can apply here. E minus Q. E minus Q. The minus is indicated by the negative charge. Is equal, what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. R square is nothing but a 0.2 charge. Here the point, here the charge. See how much is there here? A2P whole square. Then A2P. See, we know that A2O, how much of the distance is there? A. Next O2P, how much is there? R. We can adding this total distance. That we can add E minus Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. R plus A whole square. Therefore, what we can find? The resultant of electric field at point P. Resultant electric field at point P. At point P. See, what is the resultant? The resultant is nothing but ER is equal to the sum of this two electric field. That is the positive charge of the electric field plus the negative charge of the electric field. Now here there is the negative charge, here there is the minus now. Here coming by the minus. Because of is there the negative charge, it will be have the positive charge. Okay. See here, the resultant of electric field at P point. What is there? ER is equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q. E plus Q. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R minus A square. E minus Q. How much is there? 1 by 4 pi epsilon minus Q by R plus A whole square. This resultant of electric field is nothing but intensity of electric field along axial line. That's why we can write the ER replaced by the EA. Now the plus into minus. The plus into minus, what is there here? The minus. Then we can write here the EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square plus into minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. R plus A whole square. Then we have to take the common. So which of the terms are common is there? Q is the same and 1 by 4 pi. Q by 4 pi epsilon is the same, that we take the common. R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Take here the LCM. Say Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. Now take the cross multiplication. That will be out there R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square. It is just like of A plus B whole square and it is there the A minus B whole square. Now can extend it. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. And just take the minus of. It can extend the A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. The whole divided by R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. Since here is there A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square. So this is the one of the trigonometry formula. Na? A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Now this we can substitute and also we can this minus also multiply the both terms now. See, this is the E axial line is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, see what is it now? R square plus A square plus 2RA minus into plus minus R square minus A square minus into minus plus 2RA divided by R square minus A square whole square. Now here the plus r square minus r square plus a square minus a square gets cancelled. 2RA plus 2RA, that is equal to 4RA. This is right, the EA is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4RA by R square minus A square into whole square. So what you get is that R square minus A square into whole square. No, this is the whole square is coming by there. See then this is can 4 we can either 2 into 2 no, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 into 2 RA by R square minus A square whole square is equal to EA. But we know that, so what we know, electric dipole moment P is equal to the charge of magnitude into the distance of dipole 2A. Now we can observing here the Q here is there and here the 2 and here the A. See then we can write the Q into 2A is equal to what we can write here the P, that is EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P into R by R square minus A square whole square. See this is the formula of what is the intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field at a point on the axial line. On the axial line. If dipole, if short dipole, if short dipole means the R is greater than of A, that means the A value can be negligible. Then we can write the this axial line EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p into R by R square whole to the R to the 4 of 4. Now here the 1 R square here will be cancelled. That axial line EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by R cube. See this is how the intensity of electric field at a point on the axial line. On the axial line.